currently in Palm Beach County, Boca Raton to be exact, and we're gonna be doing some bass fishing today. That's right, bass fishing. Gonna catch us a 5-pound lunker. We're gonna be meeting up with CG Hog Hunters. You know, we've fished with them plenty of times before. If you're a returning viewer, you know who CG Hog Hunters is. If you don't, I'll put their channel right down in the description. Check them out after you watch this video. I think honestly the last time that we made a video together was probably a good year ago. So I'm really excited to get back on the water with them.
You got all your pole in there?
Yeah, I'm ready. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is sneaking into this golf course where obviously everybody knows there's big bass in golf courses. Yeah, so we're going to get this you know, early spawn bite down here in Florida. Bass are going to be starting to spawn around this time of year. Yeah, he knows it's true. You know, February, March, April, that's when Florida starts, and then the more north you go, the later it starts. So we're in spawning. We're gonna see if we can't get some big spawning bass. I will. I'll make my way that way.
You won't catch one off of that. What pound test is that?
18.
Oh, baby, that. Oh, where's the reel?
Right here.
What reel is that?
I bought it at Dick's.
That's cool. Is it salt water or no?
No.
That's a cool reel.
It's like a dual, I
How many
think.
ball bearings?
7.
What's the gear ratio?
6-2-1.
Yeah. That's cool. It's a good one. Oh, Revo? Yeah.
Abu Garcia.
Yeah, they got a Revo Max.
X30.
Yeah, Revo.
He's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like 119. I picked it up at Dick's. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change baits real quick. Hold on.
Alright, and then we'll go.
Just do a couple more casts.
We'll go across the lake.
Yeah, do a couple more casts. I forgot to bring my knife with me.
Try not to stand on the wall too long. Stay out of eye shot.
He's just trying to get some, he thinks we have bait. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fish until we walk all the way over to that bridge. If we don't get anything, we're gonna walk across the road, and that lake over there on the other side of the road is a little bit better, but we can see what's here first. Yeah, these fish are acting finicky.
Not necessarily in this lake.
It's almost as big as the lure. I bet you my worm's longer. Yeah, you got them with both trebles.
Be all right.
Oh, look, he's hungry.
Yeah, he's falling around.
Go find your own food. Oh, you got off. No way. We're heading over to the next lake. We only got that one little tiny fish. Wouldn't even count in a tournament. But we're gonna see if we can't do better on the next one. Everybody needs a little water break. Stop number 2. We're just trying to get away from the clubhouse a little bit so we don't get kicked out of here. But oh look, we're scaring another one. The bass are definitely here.
Those might not be bad.
They might be tilapia. Finally. Gotta get them out of those weeds. Come on. Come on. Let's go. And he's landed. That is a landed fish right there. Woo! We're both on the board. He's about a pound.
Oh yeah, he's 12.
He's about a pound, yeah. 12 inches, probably 13 inches.
Pound and a quarter.
Yeah. All right.
I don't think mine counted.
There you go, buddy. Oh, nice. Here, put him up. We both didn't get skunked. So when I caught that fish, I literally casted it, and as soon as it hit the water, I felt him hit it and just set the hook and got him. We're in the same spot. We're gonna see if we can't pull another one out. Using the Guggen Mondo worm. I think Cliff just missed one. Did you miss one? He said that wasn't him. Just a fish jumping. I'm just trying to drag this worm across the bottom real slowly. I don't know, I gotta get another fish before it gets dark. What do I got here? Just a big old weed. All right, I don't even know if you guys can see me. That's how dark it is now. But we have one last ditch effort to catch some big fish right by this fountain. The bite's turned off on the other side of the lake where there's no light. So we're thinking that if we can throw some worms right next to that fountain where the water, you know, you can see the worm, maybe we can get some fish before we head on out of here. Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah. That's definitely.
Look at that belly.
Definitely almost 6.
Look at that belly.
Spawner.
Yeah, I told you.
Let me get a first person. I told you.
No, I said in the beginning of the video, these bass down here in Florida are spawning February.
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, anybody will tell you that.
All right, guys, we're over here at Dick's. What I want to do is get me a freshwater fishing rod. I have a freshwater fishing reel that I have on a saltwater fishing pole. So what I need to do is get me a freshwater fishing pole for my freshwater fishing reel. I think I'm going to go with this one. I think I'm going to go with the Akuma.
Fast.
It's just nice and light. Oop. All right, so what we're going to go with. We got Guggen baits, Water Gremlin slip sinkers, and VMC heavy duty wide gap offset point resin closed eye 4.0. That's the size of the 4.0. And then we got this Akuma, a 7-foot medium freshwater pole. So Cliff's telling me I need to go with the swimming worm instead of the stick baits. I mean, what would you guys throw?
Not instead of.
Would you guys throw?
Not instead of.
The Gambler swimming worm or the Guggen bait stick bait? Comment down below, what would you get? I still have a couple Guggen bait Mondo worms at home, so I'm gonna go with the Gambler swimming worms for now because we don't have any. Add them to the arsenal. They got the mystery tackle box juggernaut bass fishing case, whatever the hell that is.
I haven't seen that.
And the mother load. Yo, this thing is sick. I haven't seen one of these in person yet. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. 200 bucks though. All right, guys, we're in the back of the SUV now. I'm gonna get this steak ready, put some seasoning on it. We got the Everglades fish and chicken seasoning. This stuff's real good. Everybody from South Florida will vouch for me and tell you that this stuff is the bomb. Everglades fish and chicken seasoning. I want to tenderize this steak a little bit before we season it up. One thing I forgot to get was like Worcestershire sauce, or just kind of some sauce to let it soak in. That's all right. Like I said, we're in the back of the SUV. I got the propane tank that I picked up from Walmart today, and a little propane cooker. Also got a cast iron pan for me, and we picked up a nice little piece of steak, and Everglades seasoning. So we're gonna cook that up. We also got some spinach somewhere. I'll find it, but I want to get this steak cooked up first, though. That's what we're gonna do. Let that heat up for a second. So I think this should maybe be hot enough. It's starting to smoke, and maybe some of our oil is starting to evaporate away. So let's get this on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's turn this heat down a little bit, honestly. Now we're cooking. I just poured some milk into this water bottle so I don't have to drink straight out of my milk gallon. I think we're gonna end up cooking this like a medium rare. Try to, at least, honestly. We're gonna try to touch up on my cooking skills all this year. Had to get me an oven mitt real quick. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it off for a second, because I wanna see how far inward, like how, are we almost done? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's still raw in the middle. I still gotta cook it longer. Still has to cook. All right, guys, honestly, I think we're getting really close to being done. Let me check the middle. Yeah, I mean, I think that's like a medium rare, to be honest. Let's turn this off. And I kind of want to get the spinach going. Oh, sheesh. All right, I was able to rip that open. Let me get some butter. Another piece of this steak. This steak is really good. The spinach is starting to boil now. Give this a little mix. And while that's cooking, I'm just doing a little bit of cleaning up. Someone smells it. All right, guys, well, we're done. You know, we got our steak, medium rare, which is delicious. We got some spinach, added a little bit of butter for some flavor, and some milk, and we're good to go. All in all, today was a good day. Got some big bass, hung out with some friends, living life, eating delicious steak, having good company. Oh, I got one last bite of steak left. Just dipping in a little bit of spinach juice, because that's how I get down. Delicioso. And for dessert, we're gonna top it off with a strawberry Hostess shortcake cup. Delicious. The only thing is I ran out of paper towels. I need some paper towels. Alright, well, we're laying down now. It's about time we get some sleep. I'm tired. Had a good meal. Had that steak with some spinach. Can't ask for any more. Now I'm just chilling, laying down. As you can see, I'm sprawled out. I got all my stuff here with me. Got some snacks. And what I ended up doing over here was put this box right here, and then I have my cooler right here, and then I put the pillows right on top, so I have just that much extra leg room when I lay down. So actually now when I lay down, my feet can go all the way back, which is pretty nice. I don't have to like lay diagonal or anyway. So anybody that said they can't sleep in a forward edge is lying to you. But all in all, it was a pretty successful day. We caught some bass. We, I don't know, did some fun shit. But we got more in store tomorrow. So let's get some sleep. Let's get some Z's and get after it when we wake up. Morning, everybody. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. The birds are chirping, the cars are driving, and the sun's a beaming. I'm gonna getting up, brush my teeth, and then go hit the gym. That's right, 2022 is the year of being healthy and getting monetized, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Just got back from the gym. I feel good, man. You know, I really do. I've been doing good for myself. I've been being healthy. I haven't smoked cigarettes in like 14 days, if not longer. I haven't even been really counting. Just trying not to think about it. Just trying to take it day by day. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to just be healthier in general. You know, I went to the gym, worked out for about an hour, did some legs, did some shoulders, did a little bit of biceps. Just did overall just good exercise. Didn't exert myself too hard just because I'm getting, I'm starting back out. I don't want to, mess myself up, so I'm just taking it slow. But that's what wins the race, man. Slow and steady. So that's what I'm going to do. But I hope you guys like this episode. Until next time, peace.